As I'm sure many of you are familiar with, COVID has changed the typical day for students everywhere, including for those here at the University of Ottawa.
Today, we want to show you what a day in our lives looks like. My name is Carina.
And I'm Kayleigh, and we're both currently third-year students here at the Telfer School of Management. I'm studying Human Resource Management, and Carina's in the International Management program.
We also work as peer mentors for our faculty, and without further ado, welcome to a day in our lives. Without the usual trek around campus every day between classes, it's really important to make time in your schedule to go outside and catch some fresh air. It's also important to support local businesses now more than ever, so I like to stop by my local coffee shop on my way home. With everything being online, it's refreshing to get outside and catch up with friends safely. Ottawa has an abundance of beautiful places to explore. And remember, if you are experiencing any flu-like symptoms, please stay at home.
This semester, I'm very excited to take part in the Connections program with Telfer. Connections is a flexible internship program that takes place over the course of a semester where you're able to work within an organization of your choice related to your field of study, all while earning ADM credits. Right now, I'm just doing some research for a report I'm writing before my classes this afternoon.
Right now, I'm meeting with the Telfer Students Council. As Director of Events, I help plan social events for the Telfer community. Unfortunately, we've moved all of our activities online for the time being, but we've still been able to plan some fun virtual events, such as our recent Among Us and Rocket League tournaments.
I found my professors have really tried to make the most out of online classes. In my cross-cultural management class, my professor likes to start off each chapter with a Kahoot game to see where we're at in terms of the content. We've also been able to use Brightspace discussion boards to stay in touch with classmates and collaborate virtually.
The U Ottawa Campus Activities website features a variety of events for students. Today, I'm participating in a guided yoga session. Because we spend a lot of time at home, it's important to focus on your mental and physical health.
As part of our job as peer mentors, we have office hours where we meet one-on-one with students to assist with any challenges or questions they may have, or simply just to chat. To book an office hour with any of the peer mentors, check out the link in the description of this video. Thank you for following along for a day in our lives.
Until next time, stay safe.